Hello everyone, we are here in Speedex with Milwaukee Red Days. First, I would like to show you drill drivers. This is M18 drill driver. Which is very compact, powerful, sleek and impactful. It can do up to 60 Newton torque. It comes with 13 mm chuck, steel, and we can do drilling up to 13 mm. It can be masonry, concrete, then wood, so it's very powerful. The size, if you see, it's very sleek, it's very compact. You can go and do the work even in the tight areas. So this gives the work very convenient for the worker. It's very easy, compact and fatigue free. Now we will try this tool and you will see its performance. Before we start doing demo, please ensure to have your safety gear on. Now I would be drilling into this 5 mm thick steel. You can see it and see the performance of the tool. Milwaukee, nothing but heavy duty. We just now finished with the drill driver. So the best part of Milwaukee is the same M18 platform battery can be used in all the tools what we offer, and you can get it in Speedex. Now you can use the same battery for the rotary hammer. You have got a little bit of work which you need to do. With rotary hammer you can drill into concrete walls 26 mm. We have got a anti-AVS system also in this, so there's no vibration at all, very compact, and you can use it conveniently to do your job done. This is Milwaukee M18 Sawzall. It is built to demolition cuts, metal cuts, wood cuts and everything what is in between. This is the power of M18 Milwaukee Sawzall. It is with fuel technology, brushless. So the performance would be outperforming all the other what we have got in the portfolio. You can see fuel is the latest technology what we have to offer. This is M18 FPD. This is in drill driver, the monster machine. It is FPD. It has got the fuel technology, which is brushless. It has got torque of 158 Newton torque, which is very powerful machine. And in this, we have the same M18 platform, 2 amps, 4 amps, 8 amps, 12 amps. All the batteries can be fitted into it. Then we have got light also is there for working in the night modes. Then we have got auto protection mode also is also there, auto stop is there. Then it can do the drill works, hammering work also it can do. It has got 2 speed modes, 1 and 2. It has got metal chuck. Now after the power tools, let us go to the PP. In this hot summer, the temperature is soaring. We have got microfiber towel. This towel is very easy to use. You just need to dip it in the water, squeeze it, dry it out, and then just wrap it around your neck. Wherever you want to do it, it can be done, and it cools around 10 degrees of temperature of your body. That's why it's the latest technology what we offer in the towel. We have got cooling caps as well. Next, we have got in Milwaukee PP. If you see from head to toe, we have got complete solution. If you go on top, we have got helmets with different colors. That can be white, blue, green, We have got variety of colors in that. We have got face shield also. If you see over here, we have got safety glasses. We have got indoor, outdoor, anti-scratch, anti-fog glasses. As per the application, we have got mask. Mask also, we have got different type of mask. If you go down now, this is the new towel what we have sold over here in the market, and these are the fast moving towels. With this, there is a in the same we have got of, you can say it's a cap, it's a skull cap which is used inside the helmet, and it keeps almost 10 degrees cooler. So this is the fantastic tool for this summer. We have got safety jackets, which we have got 8 pockets, 10 pockets. We have got cool workwear shirts. We have got sleeves. If you see, and that too we have got different cut levels. Cut level A, B, C, D, E, F. We have got gloves. You can see over here we have got fantastic gloves. These gloves also we have got from cut A to cut F. We have got trousers. For the job site, we have got safety shoes. If you see, these are the fantastic shoes in the market, and which is quite comfortable. It is anti-slippery, anti-water repellent, water resistant. Then there is a safety pocket over here for keeping the laces inside over here. This is pocket for the laces. Then there is a toe is there. Then Milwaukee from head to toe PPE. These two are the two models in automotive which you should have. We have got it in Milwaukee, which is the jump starter. And inflator. This jump starter, if you see, it's very compact. You just require a battery. There is a light also on top of it. Then it's very easy to use. You just need to plug in. Automatically within 70 seconds it would be ready for giving power to your battery, and then it's ready to go. If you go down over here, we have got inflator. As everybody knows, this is also a compact inflator what we have to offer. It's very easy to use. Same M18 battery we will plug in into it, and then just you need to switch it on and put the on button. Automatically it will fill up the tires, and then it will be ready to go. There is already a charger port also over here. This can be used for charging. If you see over here, it can be used for charging purpose also. Now let's try it out outside. It's very easy to use. You just need to plug in, switch it on, and then you can set it up. How much do you want PSI? For my van, it takes up to 48. So I'll put 48 over here and then switch it on. Perfect, it's done. Now let's drive it out. Now this is the jump starter. Okay, if you see over here, I have already put the same M18 battery, 5 amps. You can use 2 amps, 5 amps, 8 amps. We have got wide range of amps in the battery, but 5 amps is more than sufficient to do it. If you see over here, now I've just switched on it. Okay, it's very easy to use. I switched it on. Then the best part of the cable wires is every time we have to put the terminals in red with the red, black with the black. In this, there is a automatic system inside, so by mistake if you put plus into negative, negative into positive, it doesn't matter in this. This is the best feature about it. It's very easy to use. You just connect it over here and then you would have to charge it. You see over here 5 amps, 5% it has been charged, so it will take another 70 seconds to charge, and once it's charged automatically it will become 100. Then you just need to trigger this button over here, then automatically the key, you need to put on the key and then it will give the power to the battery, and in this way it would be starting the battery. And there is additional feature in it, like during the night time, as there is no provision, it's too dark, so we have got inbuilt light on top of it. This is true view light and it gives the correct color of any of the part which is there. Then we do have got USB port charger also, so you can later on charge it through here with this USB port also. Later you can charge anything what you have, any devices over here which you want to charge, maybe your mobile, that can also be charged. It's a C type and it is IP55. It's very convenient to use and the perfect tool, both the jump starter and inflator for your vehicle. Next is multi-directional task light. If you see, this is the latest light what we have to offer. It gives lumens of 4500, and the best part of the light is it can be used in both the platform. You can use it in AC also, whereas DC also. The same battery, as I said before, can be used 2 amps, 5 amps, 8 amps, 12, whatever customer wants. As per the application, they can use the battery, and very easy to use. If you see, it can be in any direction, you can do it. You see the mood, you see the power. The best part of the light is it gives true view. True view means the original light what during the sun it offers. Also, we have got wide range of lights. If you see, we have got this big light over here. Then we have got portable lights as well for handheld in a site you're using it. These are the different type of light systems what we have to offer, and they're beautifully designed with patented technology what we offer, and all have true view technology. Whether it is all whatever customer wants, it can be 100 lumens, 200 lumens, 400 lumens, even we have got this up to 2000 lumens. So whatever you want, we are there to offer to you. We have got just a glimpse of tools over here, but what we offer in Milwaukee, it's a lot of big range. Let me show you what we have in stores behind. If you see this full range, we have got M18, M12 and the fans what we have. If you come down over here, we have got hand tools which can be used in the construction sites, accessories, wide range we have got for metal, steel, wood, everything what we can offer. If you go down that side, now if you see, we have got all the measuring tapes, all the hand tools over here, PP, you can see the complete PP range we offer, helmets, contractor vest, safety glasses, gloves, and all from complete range. We have got our safety shoes as well. One more thing, I want you guys to come down in Speedex and explore our all range what there we have to offer to you guys. This is just a glimpse. If you see, these are just few tools, but if you go down there, we have got vast range, and do avail this opportunity by coming down here, exploring it and enjoying what Speedex and Milwaukee is there to offer to you guys. Thank you very much.
Speedex, inspiring ideas, projects, and homes.
Speedex.